Formation of Indian National Congress. The awareness in the Indians began to be clearly stated by the political associations formed after 1850. Most of these were led by English-educated professionals such as lawyers. These were the Indian Association founded by Surendranath Banerjee, the Bombay Association, Madras Native Association, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, founded by Justice Ranade, and the Bombay Presidency Association by Feroz Shah Mehta and Badruddin Tayabji. The goals of these associations were stated as the goals of all the people of India, not those of any one region, community or class. The dissatisfaction with British rule, especially in educated Indians, intensified in the 1870s and 1880s. In 1878, Vernacular Press Act allowed the government to confiscate the assets, including printing presses of the newspaper, if they published anything objectionable. In 1883, Ilbert Bill was introduced in British Parliament to empower the Indian judges to hear the cases involving European persons. 72 delegates from all over the country met at Bombay in December 1885 and founded the Indian National Congress. The early leadership of the Congress was from Bombay and Calcutta. Dada Bhai Nauroji was a businessman settled in London and for a time member of the British Parliament. He published his ideas by circulating information, writing reports, and speaking at meetings. Nauroji held British rule responsible for poverty in India. A retired British official, A.O. Hume, brought Indians from the various regions together. Indian Council Acts helped to unite the people against the British rule. From the beginning, the Congress sought to speak for and in the name of all the Indian people. Its chief aim was to present popular demands before the government and to bring together leaders from different parts of the country.